How to use AirDrop from an iPhone. Smartphones these days now have the capability to send files easily using AirDrop. Especially when you're sending large files like a video, this is often much faster than using email or text messages. So to demonstrate how to use AirDrop, we're going to AirDrop this video from our iPhone to our Mac. Before we begin using AirDrop, we want to make sure that it's turned on both of our devices. So to turn your AirDrop on, you can go to your settings and select the General tab. Then select AirDrop. Here you can choose how other devices find you using AirDrop. If you don't want to receive any files using AirDrop, you can turn receiving off. If you only want contacts in your phone or your other devices to find you, you can select contacts only. And if you want anybody to be able to AirDrop you files, you can select everyone. We're going to keep it to contacts only. It's usually the safest option. And then we can go back to our video that we want to share. So to then use AirDrop on your iPhone, select the share icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. At the top section of your sharing options, you'll often see any contacts that you can then share your files with using AirDrop. So as you can see, our Mac already appears here. If you don't see any of the options that you're looking for, you can always select the AirDrop icon and then choose from the available devices that you see. If the device still isn't appearing, it's usually because your AirDrop settings are either set to not being able to be discovered or you're not a contact in that person's phone. So just be sure that your settings are all compatible to be discovered on AirDrop. So then to share the file to our laptop, we're going to click our laptop's icon. And on our computer, you'll now see that we have a notification saying that we just received an item from our iPhone. And if we click open, we can now watch the file on our laptop. And if we go to our downloads, we can then drag and drop the file either to our desktop or into one of the folders on our computer to save it. And that's how to use AirDrop from your iPhone. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below. And don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.